In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom properties in HubSpot. Now to do this, you want to open your dashboard, go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel to open up your user preferences. And then in here, you want to go to the left, scroll down, and under data management, you can see properties up at the very top. Just click on this button. And then in here to create a custom property, you want to click on create property over here. Of course, you want to select the object before you do this and then click on create property. Here you have to give it a property label. I'm just going to go and type in tutorial, but of course you can do whatever you want depending on what type of custom property you want to create. And you can also add a description if you wanna. You can select the field type. For me, it's going to be single line text. And of course you can go and make this like data agent prompt, turn it on if you wanna, and you can go if you want to require unique values for this property. It's up to you. You could also go and create this with a data agent if you wanna. So I'm gonna actually not do this, but of course you can do it, which sometimes could be much easier. When you're done, click on create property, and there we go, your property has been created, and that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.